Hi guys, how are we all doing today? If you're new here, my name is Rodian and today is Dingo Friday. I guess the first Dingo Friday we're having. I'm happy with the Dingo Friday, the name, but if there are any of you guys out there who think that they can come up with a better name, it must have something to do with dingo and it's Friday, so if you've come up with something better then please do put it down in the comments, but for the time being that is what we're going for. Right, okay. Let me show you what I've been up to this morning. I've made a start and I've humped up a bunch of tiles. There's about a pallet and a half of tiles up there. As you can see, got the wheelbarrow. Around the front, I've been loading up the front and just running them around in the wheelbarrow. Makes life a lot easier. So we're looking at a fair few tiles there. I've probably got that again to come up this afternoon after I've had my lunch. So what I'll do is this section here, I'm just going to fill the whole thing up. I don't want to go another one deep because there's only one deep. Just purely because I'm not going to have enough room to do all the running around that I need to do. So we're just going to leave it for that. Yep, have that all the way through and then I'll see how far those tiles get me. What I should do is I really should try and work out how many I need. So then if I do need any additional ones, I can just order them. Up here, I need to cut them out and do them, but there will be two Velux windows, one here and one here. But that is something that I'm not going to worry about just yet. I'm probably going to get this half done, then order it, then do that, because I reckon probably going to take a few days to get them ordered in, but that's pretty good. So this is the section that we've got left. This is it, the last part, the end of the roof hopefully. But there will obviously be other bits and pieces that need doing, like all of the filling in of the ends of the ridge tiles, etc, etc. So far today I've just got these tiles up. So as far as the rest of the day goes, I won't be filming me moving these tiles just because I think I'll work a little bit quicker without filming, and it's just moving tiles. I could probably make it look really cool, but as it's Friday, I just want to just take it in my own time and do it. So, well, especially after yesterday, I'll tell you what, I'm feeling quite tired today. My fingers, I've got some parts of my fingers where I've taken the tips off, and with all those tiles that I did yesterday, after I did all that, I got home a bit late, hence why the video went up a little bit late yesterday. I think I got home at about just after 6 o'clock, and then started editing. To be perfectly honest with you, on my back, and when I got home I realised that I need to do this quick. I edited yesterday's video in 30 minutes. 30 minutes to an edit. I think that's one of my all-time records, and I don't think it was that bad. I think pretty good going. So the one thing about me doing this daily vlogging is my editing is getting much quicker. I've got into quite a nice little routine of doing it, so yeah, that's a bonus. One thing I actually wanted to do, doing this whole daily vlog. By the time I had finished that and uploaded that, I was ready for bed. I slept like a log last night, and I do feel a bit achy today, but that's what happens when you get into the run of things, and I don't think the heat yesterday helped either. But anyway, that's that done, so I'm happy with that. We're going to move on with this, but it's Friday, it's Dingo Friday, so let's consult the comments from last week and see who the winner is, who's going to get pinned. So let's have a butchers. Now this picture here was the image that was put up last week for you guys to caption. I tell you what, I had loads, a lot more than I thought I'd have, a load of really good captions, and yeah, it was good fun reading through them all. So, but one stood out. As soon as I read it, I thought, yeah, that's the one. Left it for the rest of the week, but it was, in my eyes, it was the out and out winner. So I would like to say a big shout out to Dave Rogers. And his comment that was, I said more mortar, not water. Ta-da! Dave Rogers, I'm going to pin you right this second. There you go, you have been pinned. You are the winner of a shout out. So again, Dave Rogers with your comment. That made me chuckle quite a bit. So I thought that was really good, yeah. Good play on words. Just saw what you did there. Yeah, but like I said, there was a heap of really good captions, and I thought it was really good fun. So we're going to do it again this week. Right, okay, up on the screen now. This is the image I'd like you to caption. Go mad, go crazy, go wild. Let your imagination run away with you. Comment whatever you think's funniest, and we'll revisit this again next Friday for another Dingo Friday. I quite like the name of Dingo Friday, you know. Let me know, what do you think down in the comments? Can you do any better, or are you digging Dingo Friday. I think it rolls off the tongue quite nicely. Dingo Friday. Yeah, and I'll tell you what, I've had a few people mentioning the porno shorts. Someone in yesterday's video said, do they think there's some porno shorts merch on the go? I'll tell you what, I don't think anyone will buy porno shorts, but I'll tell you what, for my own personal satisfaction, I might get a pair made up, you know, just for a laugh. Porno shorts, yeah. I've had a few funny ideas actually thinking about that. Well, maybe you'll see a custom pair of shorts that I'm going to be donning in the next few weeks. I don't know, I'll look into that, see if I can do that. I don't know if you can have custom made swim shorts, because it's got to be swim shorts. None of these long shorts, they've got to be as short as you can possibly get. Swim shorts plus for the summer. But anyway, so there we go, Dingo Friday. Looking forward to hearing and seeing all of your comments over the coming days and weeks. Well, the coming days, yeah, not weeks, because it's only weekly, isn't it? I think I'm feeling a little bit tired. Right, what we're going to do now is I am going to go and I'm going to load out the rest of these tiles. I've got about another 2 packs to go, 2 pallets, so I'm going to see how far that gets us all. In all honesty, I can't remember how many are in a pallet, but that's besides the point. So, oh yeah, one other thing that I would like to point out that I'm going to actually change. One of you guys' comments yesterday, I'll just jump up to the roof and I'll show you what they were saying. So I had a comment saying that these soakers back here need to be out of lead, which on the flip side of it is perfectly right, because I was putting these in thinking, how the hell am I going to do that without it leaking? So I bent the load back on themselves. But yeah, obviously lead would be a much better idea. So I'm going to take these couple of tiles off, put a bit of lead through there, and then have it come up and ready for the flashing to go over the top of it. And yeah, so that's another little bit there. Right, so guys, that's pretty much where we're at the moment. Like I said, I've got tons of tiles up here at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it there for today's episode. Sorry it was a bit of a short one, but I'm just going to be humping tiles up for the rest of the day, so I thought I'd just do it off camera, give myself a little bit of an easy time doing it, so I don't have to worry about setting the camera up, etc, etc. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Leave a like down below if you have, subscribe if you aren't already, and don't forget to put your submissions for Dingo Friday. So with all that being said, hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, enjoy it, and I will see you guys on Monday morning. So take care, have a good one, see you later.